Welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to show and explain to you how you can use multiple selection in SAP GUI Scripting for automation purposes. Here right now, I have an Excel file that has basically 8 company codes, 8 IDs of the company code, and I would like to export the detailed information for these company codes and of course automate it. What I would like to have automated, I would like to show you right now manually. So therefore, let's go into the SAP system. So first of all, I will open up the data browser with the transaction SE16N. Here right now, I will open up the table T001 because this table contains information for the company codes. Under company code or BUKRS, I use the multiple selection button. And then in the Excel, I copy these company codes. And here I use the functionality upload from clipboard to paste in the copied 8 company codes. And then I take this over, execute the selection. And here you have the export functionality as a spreadsheet. Here, basically, I have already exported or have already an Excel file because I would like to save and replace it. Great. So this is what I would like to have automated. So directly, let's get started in the SAP system. And it is very important in this video, I would like to focus on the mentioned requirement. So to activate SAP GUI Scripting, to add the SAP GUI Scripting API in Excel, to enable the developer ribbon in Excel, I will link the corresponding videos I have already published explaining you these steps in detail. So first right now, let's go to script recording and playback and let's start our SAP GUI script. So first of all, we go once again into the data browser, so the SE16N, enter the table T001, go to multiple selection and make sure to have these company codes selected and use the upload from clipboard functionality and take this over. Then execute selection and export this as a spreadsheet on this path and use the replace button. Great, this is all what I would like to have automated. So let's go once again into record and playback and stop recording. And let's have a closer look how our created script looks like. So here we have now our script, and it's very important that this is the code we need. So this is what we will copy, and to include it into our code, we go into the Excel file as mentioned in the developer ribbon under Visual Basic. In here we will include a coding I have prepared already. So this code is basically the setup to have a connection to the SAP GUI, and this code is basically a code to select the entry starting from the A column, starting from the cell A1 to the last row where there is basically a entry behind. And in here, as mentioned, we have to copy this code and paste it in here. Then use Ctrl S to save your Excel file as an macro enabled Excel file. And the next what we're gonna do is, so basically we put this next to each other. So And then let's execute this. Here's the script is attempting, this is fine. And there we have our exported Excel file. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.